there, little kids. Welcome to my kitchen. Can you help me find a banana? Here we have a banana. Look, kids, it's a long banana and it's green in color. And here we have a knife. Let's cut the banana into 2 pieces. Oh, wait! We've got 2 pieces of bananas and we also got something from the inside. It looks like a mystery box. You see, it's green in color. Here we have a C. C is for cat. Here we have a W. W is for watch. Can you hear that? Let's open it together. Oh, great! Here we found something. First, we have an H. Here we have a D. And right here we have a tree. Great! We've got some letters and a number. Now I'm going to go for a tomato. Look, kids, it's a red tomato. Let's cut it into 2 pieces. Oh, kids, we've got 2 pieces of tomatoes, but we did not find anything inside. It's okay. We have 2 tomatoes. Look here, kids. We have a yellow corn. It's a yellow corn. Oh, wait! What do we have here? We've got a yellow balloon from the corn. There's something inside. Let's blow the balloon together. Oh, you saw? What do we have from the inside? We found some numbers. Here we have 1 and here we have 7. Together they make 17. Great! Now look at this one, kids. We have a muffin. It's pink and it's yellow. Oh, look, kids. We've got something. They look like shapes. Here we have a yellow rectangle and here we have a yellow circle. Great job! Kids, do you like ice creams? I love ice creams. And here we have some ice creams. There's something inside. Let's open it together. Oh, great! Look, kids, we found a letter and a number. It's 8 and here we have B. They're both blue in color. Look, kids, we've collected so many letters and numbers. And now it's time for a donut. Look here, kids. It's a donut and there's white frosting. Do you love donuts? I love donuts. Look, kids. It's a pumpkin. Can you guess the color of this pumpkin? It's orange. Oh, wait! We've got 2 pieces of pumpkin and we've got some letters. Here we have R. Here we have Z. And here we have B. Great! Kids, we have a pastry. Pink and yellow pastry. Let's see if we have something inside. Hello, kids. We've cut the pastry into 2 pieces and we've got some balloons. Here we have a pink balloon. And here we have a yellow one. Let's blow the pink balloon together. You see? It's a pink balloon. Now at the end, we have a pot. You see, kids? It's a hot pot. We put it on the stove and cook some meal. Let's see if we have something inside. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, great! We found so many shapes. First, we have a square. Here we have a triangle. Here we have a circle. Here we have a pentagon. And here we have a star. Great job, kids! We found so many shapes. Great job, little kids! We cut all the fruits and pastries and we got so many things here. See you next time!